Financial literacy, achieving financial goals together. Hi everyone, I'm Matt, and today I'll be sharing something important, something that affects our everyday life even if we don't always notice it. This is about financial literacy, or simply being smart with money. What is financial literacy? Literacy means understanding how money works, how we earn it, how we save it, how we spend it, and how we manage it. As a grade 9 student, we may not have jobs yet, but we handle money every day, whether it's our allowance, project funds, or savings for something we want. We make decisions about money all the time, and those decisions matter. Why it matters? First, financial literacy teaches responsibility. When we receive our allowance, we have the power to choose. Do we use it wisely or waste it? Learning to budget helps us control our spending and avoid impulsive buying. Second, it prepares us for the real world. Soon, we will enter senior high school, college, or even part-time jobs. By learning how to manage money, now saving, budgeting, and tracking expenses, we build habits that will help us avoid financial stress later in life. Third, it protects us from debt and overspending. Today, everything is easy to buy, just one tap on our phone. But without financial literacy, we can fall into bad habits, borrowing money, buying things we don't need, or spending without thinking. When we know how to manage money, we feel more in control of our future. We can set goals like saving for a gadget, a school activity, or even a future education and actually reach them. What can students do now? So, what can we start doing today? Number 1. Create a sample budget. List your allowance and track where it goes. Number 2. Save a small amount regularly. Even coins become big savings over time. Third, think before you buy. Ask yourself, do you need it? Or I just want it? Number 4. Practice discipline. Good habits today become strong financial skills tomorrow. Financial literacy isn't just about money. It's about choices, discipline, and planning for a better future. So, why does financial literacy matter for us students? Because it helps us grow, make wise decisions, and shape our future. Let's start being financially smart now, while we're young. Thank you for watching, and may every decision bring you closer to your goals.